What's the deal, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It is freezing outside, so I need y'all to go ahead and like this video, bro, because I'm about to go outside and install this trunk on my car, and I have to have the car halfway pulled out the garage just because the lighting and stuff. So I need y'all to go ahead, do me a favor, and just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're new here, my name is Tez, and today we're installing a carbon trunk on my G87 M2. Let's go. All right, y'all, we are unboxing the trunk right now. Super freaking scary. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, they big. Yo! Yo! Oh my goodness, dude. Oh. Oh. Hey, running into this. Sorry about it. Alright, yo, we have unboxed the freaking trunk, and this thing looks beautiful. Look at this built-in spoiler, because y'all know I don't rock spoilers, bro. I don't like spoilers. I just don't like them. So I got a built-in duckbill spoiler on the trunk, you feel me, bro? I'm so freaking excited. I cannot wait to install this. I'm trying to put more effort into the install videos because I realize I don't put a lot of effort into it. So I'm about to go ahead, get this trunk disassembled, so I'm gonna throw a time lapse up for that, and then we're gonna switch all the stuff from this trunk to that trunk, and then just put it on. Should bolt up, bro. But look, the carbon trunk with the carbon roof with the carbon fenders. That's gonna be hard, no cap. All right, y'all, so we have gotten all the wire out, as you can see right here. But yeah, We got all the wire disconnected. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off somehow. Don't know how to get it off, but I'll figure it out. Yes, sir. Just like that. Perfect. And all the wires should fit right through here. If I'm not mistaken. Oh, that's probably what that came off of too. Got the camera unclipped. And I think that's where this goes. Somewhere on this camera. Who knows? Pull the rest of the line out the trunk. Boom, now we can take the freaking trunk off. Look like a T something. Moment of truth. Holy cow, this truck's heavy. Oh my goodness, dude. Holy cow. This thing is heavy. That thing's heavy as hell. Not gonna lie. All right, y'all. Let me turn the light so y'all can see. All right, yo. So we got the trunk off. Dude, that trunk is, the stock trunk is so heavy. Like, that thing's heavy. Not gonna lie. Carbon trunk, way lighter, obviously. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch the camera button and the trunk lift, and then everything should be good. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'll get back with y'all. All right, so pretty much here, I was just explaining to y'all that we're gonna put the trunk on, the carbon fiber trunk. This is not the regular one, twin. This is the carbon fiber. And the M5 looks so menacing back there with the lightness, with the lights on, bro. It just looks so good. And then I had trouble aligning it a little bit. I do gotta get different screws for the trunk because the ones it came with, well, no, not different screws, different washers. And it was so late. and I had to hurry up and get this done. As y'all know, I just got back from vacation. It's a lot going on, man, so I was just trying to hurry up and get this done. But pretty much I was just showing y'all me putting on the trunk. And me personally, bro, I like the trunk. I do got to do some minor adjustment with some new bolts, but after we get the adjustments and everything done, it's gonna look good. I definitely plan on paint matching all this stuff. So truly, if I'm gonna keep it a bean, I don't even care to have it all lined up right now until after it comes back from paint match. And then I don't know what I was saying, and then I realized the mic was unplugged right here, and I'm like, dang, the mic unplugged, I need to talk, and it still didn't pick up the audio. So with that being said, man, make sure you like the video. Thank you. All right, y'all, after hours and hours of trying to get the fitment just right and perfect, we finally freaking got it, bro. It took forever, and there is a haze, so it does need to be polished and everything, but we got the BMW logo on, got the license plate on, man, and it looks so freaking good. But that's probably going to be the end. I'm probably going to give y'all a little montage, and that's going to be the end of the video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. All right, y'all, came to the gas station with some better lighting. It's my favorite spot to come to. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my freaking goodness, y'all. Fitment is actually not bad. This is my fault. I just gotta play with it a little bit. I don't feel like it tonight. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't feel like it. But overall, the carbon trunk is hitting. That dang look good as hell. With the carbon fenders, twin. Come on now. Come on now. This is about to, all we need literally is the carbon hood, and it's about to be the, come on now, easily the hardest M2 in the city. Easily the hardest M2 in the city with the ooh la la. You feel me? Anyway, man, comment down below, let me know what y'all think.